fish. Stay on. Oh, it's a good one. Stay on. Stay on, buddy. Oh, it's a tank. Oh my God. Holy shit. Big 1 ounce rooster tail. And look at that fucking tank. Let's get a weight on this sucker. This has got to be 4 pounds. .54. I'll take it. That tank. Nailed that. 1 ounce rooster tail, baby. Gotta love it. Thanks, buddy. Oh man, dude, that's another tank. That's another tank. Oh my God, dude, he hit it and was right at the fucking boat. Oh, stay on, buddy. Stay down, stay down. Feels like another good one. Dude, this thing is, I can barely move this thing. If this is a bass, this is a monster. Oh my God. This can't be a bass. I don't think this is a bass. I don't know what this is. If this is a bass, this is a 5-pounder. Look at this, look at this. Oh my God. Dude, what the fuck is this thing? Oh man, I'm glad I came out this morning. I almost didn't come out this morning because it was thundering at like 4 or 5 in the morning and raining. I don't think this is a bass. This thing hasn't jumped once. Dude, I can barely move this thing. Some color. I mean, if it's a carp, I've never seen a carp nail a fucking spoon. It's a catfish. A big ass catfish. Oh my God. I can barely lift this thing out. Look at this fucking thing. This thing's gonna tip me over. Holy shit. My arm's getting fucking tired. Oh my God. All right, buddy. Go ahead. There's one. Feels like a good one. Yeah, that's a bass. Pull and drag. Come here, buddy. Oh, fuck. Dude, there's some fucking donkeys in this lake. Another fucking chunk. Oh, all right. Oh, dink. Dinky, dinky, dink. Why is it always the dinks that fucking flop around the most? Relax, buddy. That's a bass. Come here, buddy. On the urchin, that is my first fish on an urchin style bait. Throwing it on a drop shot. I'll take that. Thanks, buddy. There's one. Oh, another perch. Nice. Stay still. Nice perch on the spoon. There's some decent perch in this lake. See you, buddy.